Exercise 1E book 3. Okay, they are saying sketch the curve. Question number 2, sketch curve by stating minimum or maximum value of curve, minimum or maximum value of curve, and equation of line of symmetry. Okay, this you have to find out. Now I am doing C part over here. It is given y equals to x minus 3 whole square plus 1. Okay, y equals to x minus 3 whole square plus 1. Outside the bracket there is no sign given, so it is a positive sign. So if it is a positive sign, so for comparing, I will have y equals to x minus p whole square plus q. There is a positive sign, so I will be using positive one. Okay. After that, doing the comparison, so minus p inside the bracket, I have got a minus p. Over here it is minus 3. So it means these two are same because both of them are in or completing square method. So I will be writing minus p equals to minus 3. So the value of p is coming 3. Then this is q and this is 1. So q equals to 1. Now outside the bracket I have got no sign, it means it's a plus sign. And if outside the bracket I am having a plus value, then this will be considered as coordinate of minimum point. Coordinate of minimum point. Okay. I have found stating minimum and maximum value of curve. So I got that this is the value of curve which will be minimum, means turning point. Okay. Now I have to do the sketching. So for sketching, first of all, put x equals to 0 and find your value of y. First thing, you will put x equals to 0 and you will find the value of y over here. Okay. So in this equation, when I am going to plot x at 0, so y equals to bracket 0 minus 3 whole square plus 1. Y equals to 0 minus 3 is minus 3 whole square plus 1. Y equals to minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So when x is 0, the value of y is coming 10. Okay. After that, we will try. Now this is important and this will always come. If your equation is given in this way, this will always come. X equals to 0, y you will get. Some value of y will be there. Okay. Now I will find the value of x when y is 0. This thing, sometime it will be possible, sometime it will not be possible. Okay. but this one will is possible, and this one will come any value of y. But over here it can happen that value of x which will be coming to us, that is impossible to find or thing like that. That can happen. Sometimes it will be proper value of x, but sometimes it will happen that no value of x will be there. Okay. So now this is my equation, and over there I am going to put y equals to 0. So y is 0, x minus 3 whole square plus 1. Now I will try to find the value of x. So plus 1 shifted over here will become minus 1, x minus 3 whole square. Taking root on both sides. So when I will take root on both sides, root of minus 1 and root of x minus 3 whole square, square and root will be cancelled, but root of minus 1 is not possible. It will be a complex number, it will be an imaginary number. It means that it is not possible to find. It is not possible to find. So at x equals to 0, y is coming, but at y equals to 0, there is no x. It is not possible to find. Okay. Now, when we have done the comparison, this was positive outside. Outside the bracket, there is a positive sign. And positive sign means that what type of curve I am going to have? I will have this type of curve where the turning point is minimum. Okay. Now I am going to do the sketching. How will I do the sketching? X-axis, y-axis. First of all, turning point. Whatever is written out inside the bracket, that represents x-axis. And whatever is written outside the bracket, that represents y-axis. Okay. So for x-axis value is 3. For y-axis value is 1. So x is 3. I'm marking it roughly over here, and y is 1. I'm marking roughly over here. Next thing, when x is 0, y is 10. X is 0. So x is always 0 on y-axis. So y equals to 10. I have made it like this. Simplifying it. This is going to be my graph. Now they are asking of line of symmetry. Okay, how will you find the line of symmetry? This is your turning point whose coordinates are 3, 1. Now always remember that in a quadratic graph or in a quadratic curve, a line passes through the turning point, which will make both sides of graph identical to each other. This will make both sides of graph identical to each other. They will be lookalike. Now, it will always pass from the turning point. And how will I find the equation? So that over here, x coordinate of turning point. Remember, x coordinate of turning point is equation of line of symmetry. Okay, x coordinate of the turning point is equation of line of symmetry. What is the x coordinate over here? The x coordinate is 3. So equation of line of symmetry will be x equals to 3. That is your equation of line of symmetry.